Unlock the power to sculpt your text with Dochub's intuitive paragraph feature, delivering professional clarity with every word. Let's dive into how Dochub's paragraph tool can elevate your document's presentation. Imagine you have a document open in Dochub, and you need to fine-tune a specific block of text. That's where the paragraph feature comes in. First, identify the paragraph you wish to manipulate. Simply click anywhere within that text block. You'll see the cursor appear, indicating you're ready to start editing this section. Now, look for the formatting toolbar that emerges. This toolbar is your gateway to controlling the paragraph's appearance. You'll typically find alignment options: left, center, right, and justify. To center your text for a title or a special emphasis, simply click the center alignment icon. See how seamlessly the paragraph shifts to the middle of the page. It's that easy. For a clean, polished look often seen in professional documents, select the Justify alignment. This option distributes text evenly across both margins, creating neat lines with no ragged edges. Beyond alignment, you can also apply basic text styling directly to your paragraph. Hover over and click the bold or italic buttons to make key phrases stand out, enhancing readability and drawing attention to important information. Need to adjust the spacing between lines within your paragraph? Look for the line spacing option. Clicking this will reveal choices like single, 15, or double spacing, allowing you to improve visual flow and prevent text from feeling cramped. Dochub's paragraph tool also offers advanced controls. You might find options to split a large paragraph into smaller, more digestible chunks, or conversely, merge two adjacent paragraphs for a more cohesive flow. By mastering Dochub's paragraph features, you gain precise control over your text, ensuring your documents are not only clear and easy to read, but also present a polished, professional image. Experiment with these tools and transform your documents today. For more tips like this, be sure to subscribe.